Hello everyone and welcome back once again to this channel, and in today's video we're going to be walking you through how to cancel auto payment on Netflix. Now this is how to cancel auto payment on Netflix using the website. First thing you do is go to netflix.com/your country. So let's say in this case Nigeria, that is NG. So once you're there, or you can just type in netflix.com and on your browser and to take you there, either using your computer browser or your phone browser. So once you're there, next thing is to sign in. Now for you to do, don't forget that you must have gotten a subscription. It starts at 2,200 naira for Nigerians. The rest of you need to be waiting there around this part. Anyway, so you have to sign in and do everything. Now you say you've done all this, you want to cancel auto payments, cancel your subscription. So after signing in, the next thing you need to do is you click on your profile icon or picture at the top right corner of the screen, then select account from the drop down menu. Next thing you need to do is scroll down to the membership and billing section, and you will see the option for cancel membership. Select it and then confirm that you want to cancel your membership by selecting cancel or confirm it again. It's as simple as that. Now note that after canceling your auto payment, your Netflix subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. You will not be charged again after that.